I'm Colin Moore, President of IM Exploration, trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol IM and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange under the symbol IM5. IM is an emerging gold exploration company with a foothold in one of the most prolific mining districts in the world, Nevada's Battle Mountain-Eureka Trend. Through a series of recent transactions, we've assembled a 3,000-hectare, fully contiguous land package, a short distance away from some of North America's largest mines and deposits, including Cortez, Pipeline, and Gold Rush. The company's Nevada land package is comprised of two projects, Toyabe to the west and Turquoise Canyon to the east. A small 75-hectare sliver of land connects the two to the north. That area was previously staked by Momentum Minerals, the private company that controlled Turquoise Canyon and was recently acquired by IM. Toyabe is an advanced exploration property with past drilling, active permits in place, and an historic gold resource of 173,000 ounces at an average grade of 1.2 grams per ton. This historic resource is confined to the southeast portion of the property, close to the Turquoise Canyon boundary, in what is called the Courtney Zone, one of three primary target areas identified to date and where the majority of historic drilling has taken place. The past drilling conducted across the property was mostly very shallow, with 84% of holes not extending past 180 meters. We see evidence of high-grade structures near surface, with highlights including 12 grams per ton over 6 meters and 15 grams per ton over 1.5 meters. Where past drilling did extend beyond 200 meters, there is evidence of dissemination into the host rock, with wider intervals including 13 meters at 4.1 grams and 18 meters at 2 grams. This indicates these faults could be feeder structures, and the company intends to test this theory at depth, where we think the real prize is. The structures and geology seen at Toyabe extend to the east to Turquoise Canyon, which has only seen surface exploration to date. A large gravity anomaly straddles both projects. Toyabe and Turquoise Canyon belong together, and this is the first time in modern history a single company has controlled both. IM has a very busy field season underway in Nevada. At Toyabe, we're using cutting-edge hyperspectral technology to analyze the historic core and chip samples we have in storage. This will provide a wealth of new geological and structural data, which, when combined with the old assay results, will feed into a robust 3D model and guide more refined drill targets. In conjunction with the subsurface imagery, we're flying an airborne hyperspectral survey over both properties. The two data sets will speak to each other and further improve our understanding of the projects. At Turquoise Canyon, we're running a 17-kilometer IP survey to further define targets. Most importantly, one of the lines will extend all the way to the west and directly over the historic Toyabe resource. We can then compare its signature to everything we'll see at Turquoise Canyon. We are using data-driven exploration to come up with exciting targets, and with permits already in hand, we're gearing up to drill in 2022. IM has a tight capital structure, with only 46 million shares outstanding, 1.8 million in cash, and no debt. Approximately 30% is held by directors, officers, and insiders, with another 11% being held by mining companies Starcore International and First Mining Gold. With a $7 million market cap, we may just be Nevada's best-kept secret. Our team is young, hungry, and execution-focused. We bring multidisciplinary expertise with geologists, engineers, capital markets professionals, accountants, and lawyers. I've worked in mining my whole life, beginning in mining engineering before transitioning to corporate finance, where I worked at leading mining investment banking firms and private equity funds. We're backed up by industry veterans on our technical advisory committee, including Richard Bedell, who is credited with one of the most significant discoveries in Nevada, the Long Canyon Project, which later sold to Newmont for $2.3 billion. All of our team member bios and additional information on the company can be found at our website at imexploration.ca.